Today can we have?
Yes, what do you say?
I said today we have speaking?
We're going to do some of our workbook today. So we do lots of different things.
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Okay, let's have a look at Unit 18. What will the weather be like tomorrow? Okay, so we're going to look, listen, and repeat. Let me make it smaller so we can see. Okay, so now we're going to look at this story. Quang, you can read the story for me. All of it for me.
Yeah. Yes. Good evening and welcome to the weather forecast. Let's take a look at the weather today. It is cold and cloudy in Hanoi. It is cool and windy in Hue. It is not sunny in Ho Chi Minh City. What will the weather be like tomorrow? Well, it is be cold and rainy in Hanoi. It will be warm and foggy in Hue. In Ho Chi Minh City, it will be not hot and sunny. That is the weather forecast for tomorrow.
Okay, nice reading, Quang. Okay, Ni. So let's see. Let's have a look at our story. Can you tell me in Hanoi today, what will the weather be like?
In it's cold and cloudy in Hanoi.
Okay. Yes.
No,
Okay. And then what about Ho Chi Minh City? What's the weather like there today?
it's hot and sunny in Ho Chi Minh City.
Very good. Okay, now let's look at tomorrow. What will Hanoi be tomorrow?
Um, well, it will be cold and raining in Hanoi.
Very good. And Hui, what will the weather be like there in Hui?
It will be warm and foggy in Hue.
Okay, very good. And tomorrow in Ho Chi Minh City?
In Ho Chi Minh City, it will be hot and sunny.
Very good. Okay, now let's look over here. We're going to point and say. Okay, let's see. Ni, you're going to ask, what will the weather be like tomorrow? Okay, and then
Yes.
Quang, I'm going to say A, B, C, D, and you tell me. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Ni, you can ask the question.
What what would the weather be like tomorrow?
Okay,
It
D.
will be cold.
D.
It will be cold and snowy.
Look at D.
What will the weather be like tomorrow?
Okay. Let me get my pen. Okay. Okay. Kwang, you've done A. Ni, you can do B.
It will be hot and sunny.
Very good. Okay, Ni, you can ask about C. Ask the question.
What would the weather like? What will the weather be like tomorrow?
It is warm and stormy.
It
It is. It
is.
will be warm. It will be warm and stormy.
Yes, okay, because she says tomorrow, so it will be. If she said today, then you can say it is. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
What will the weather be like tomorrow?
It will be cold and
Cloudy.
and cloudy.
Okay, good job. Very nice. So let's talk. Ask and answer questions about the weather. Okay. So now today, Quang, what's the weather like today in your country?
It is hot and cloudy.
Okay, good. And Ni, do you know what will the weather be like tomorrow in your country?
Is we will be sun hot and cloudy.
Hot and cloudy again. Okay, very good. Okay, now listen and circle. Okay, teacher's going to say something and then you're going to tell me A, B, or C.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so let's see. Looking at the forecast for supper tomorrow, it looks like it's going to be quite chilly and with big thunder and lightning.
Can you say again?
Okay, looking at the forecast for supper tomorrow. Okay, it's going to be quite chilly and there's going to be loud thunder and lightning and wind.
Snowy and stormy.
But it's going to be very cold.
Me.
Oh, stormy and very cool.
Yes. Okay, Ni, you're going to do number 2. Stormy and very cold. Okay. If somebody says it's chilly, that means it's cold. Okay, good. Now, Ni, you're going to do Hanoi. Okay, looking at the forecast for tomorrow, Hanoi is going to be very cloudy and we won't see very much. There will be lots of white mist around, but the wind is going to blow very strong.
A.
Yes, okay. Foggy means misty and cloudy. That means it's all white. You can't see very much. Okay, let's do number 3, Kwang. Tomorrow in Da Nang, it's going to be very hot, but later on we will cool down with a nice breeze.
C.
Yes, okay. A breeze means some wind. Okay, good job. Now let's read and complete. Ni, you are going to be Mai. Kwang, you're going to be Tony.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go for a picnic tomorrow.
What will the weather be like tomorrow?
Okay, sorry.
Wow.
Teacher can be Linda, but you're going to help me. Well, it will be cold and
small
cold and stormy.
and stormy.
Okay.
How do you know that?
I watched the weather on TV.
What on TV?
I watched the weather.
Forecast on TV.
Forecast on
Yes.
TV.
Forecast. Okay. Tony.
We can't go for a picnic if it is stormy.
Okay, let's say is popcorn and what counter?
Great idea. Okay, good job. Have you got it? Okay, let's save that. Oh, never mind. Okay. Here we go. Okay, let's play. Now we're going to make sentences. Okay. Teacher is going to ask, what will the weather be like? And I'm going to circle the picture and you're going to tell me. Okay, so Kwang, What will the weather be like tomorrow?
It will be hot and sunny.
Very good. Okay, Ni, what will the weather
Yes.
be like tomorrow?
It will be cold.
Cold and
Uh, cold and
Snowy.
no stormy.
yes, snowy, snow.
Snowy.
Okay, good. Quang, what will the weather be like tomorrow? There's a Sunday.
It is sunny and windy.
Very good. It is or it will be?
It's gloomy.
Okay. Ni, what will the weather be like tomorrow?
It will windy and cloudy.
Yes, very good. Okay. Let's carry on. Good job. Okay, now we have another story. This is Quang and this is Ni. Okay, Ni.
It's so hot today. Is it always like this in summer now?
It is usually hot in summer.
Yeah,
And
yes, it is.
Yes, it is. It's usually hot in summer and it is rained
A lot.
a lot.
Really, I like summer here because I can see in the sea. I can swim in the sea.
Okay. Okay.
What is summer like in your country, Peter?
It's colder than here, but it's very green. There are lots of flowers and plants.
Really? I delight to visit the country in summer.
Okay, good reading. Very nice. So now, okay. Ni, you can stay, you can be this one. Kwang.
Yes.
Okay, so now, what, Ni, you're going to choose?
What mm,
You can choose anyone.
what summer like in your country?
Yes, it's fine. She can choose anyone. And you must answer.
It's usually spring, cold,
Yeah,
and green.
okay. Look, Kwang, what's summer like in your country? It's usually hot. There are flowers.
Okay.
Okay. Let's try again, Ni.
What um what's autumn like in your country?
It's usually cool. There are rain.
There is rain.
There is
Okay.
rain.
What is winter like in your country?
It is usually very cold. There
Is
there are snow.
there is snow.
There is snow.
Good.
What's by
Spring.
spring? Cold or what spring like in your country?
It's usually cold. There is green.
Good. Very nice. Okay, now we're going to ask and answer some questions. Kwang, you're going to ask the questions. Ni, you are going to answer the questions.
Where do you live?
I live in Ving City.
How many seasons are there?
Seasons. Do you have all the seasons? Spring, summer, autumn, winter?
Yes, there are 4 seasons.
What are they?
They are spring, summer, autumn, winter.
What is your favorite season?
I I like winter.
What's winter?
What What is spring, summer like?
Okay, look, she said, I like winter. So now you say, what's winter like?
What winter like?
I would
It's
usually
usually
very cold.
okay, very good. Okay, Ni, now you're going to ask the questions and Kwang, you're going to answer the questions.
Yes. Where do you live?
I live in Ring City.
How many seasons are there?
There are 4 seasons.
What are they?
They are spring, summer, autumn, winter.
What's your favorite season?
I like summer.
What's summer like?
It's usually hot and has many flowers.
Okay, very good. Well done, you guys. Nice, good job. Okay, so listen and write one word. Okay, now we can just choose any word that you want. Okay, so Kwang, you're going to be Tony.
Can I write?
Yes, you can write. You can choose any word that you like. But remember, you must
Yes.
look what season it is.
Yes. Cold. A lot of
It's winter, so it's very, very cold. And a lot of
winter. Winter?
okay, the season is winter. The weather, it's cold. A lot of snow.
Oh, snow. Thank you.
Okay, good. Okay, now Ni, let's look over here. Okay, it's still cold. What season is also cold? That's not winter.
Autumn.
Yes, okay. Kwang, are you going to write there for us?
Me, I can write.
Oh, you can write. Okay, sorry,
Can you
Kwang.
spell it? Can you
Let
spell it? I write.
okay, Ni's going to write for her one. You write for your question. Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, Ni will write for hers. Kwang, you write number 3.
Autumn. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no.
Must I help you,
I
Ni?
don't. Yes, I can.
Okay, Kwang, you can write it there for her. A-U.
Your
Can
autumn.
you?
A-U-T.
What?
A-U-T.
You M.
U-M-N.
UMN.
What?
Okay,
Oh
let
my
me
God.
do this one. You do number 3.
Cold and a lot.
Okay, this one is for Kwang. Kwang's going to do number 3. Ni, you do number 4.
Cold. A lot of
In autumn. That's very
Me.
Winter.
windy.
No.
Windy.
Yes. Good. Okay, Ni, number 4.
Number 4. Hot.
Yes. Okay, hot. And Kwang, number 5.
A lot of flowers.
Yes, good.
And plant.
Plants or flowers, you can choose.
Plant.
Good, very good. Okay, let's move on.
Okay.
Okay, number 5, write about your favorite season and the weather. Okay, so let's see. We're going to do Ni. Okay, Kwang, you're going to ask Ni the question, and Ni, you're going to answer the question in full sentence.
Yes. What is your favorite season?
My favorite. What is your favorite season? My favorite season
Is
is winter.
okay. I want a full sentence, Kwang. Okay, you don't need to write for this one. I just want you to ask the question.
Okay.
Okay, teacher will write while you talk. Okay, because I want a long sentence. My favorite season is, oh,
Season is winter.
okay. Kwang, next question.
What is the weather like in the favorite season?
My favorite.
The weather is
The weather is cold, and snowy.
okay. Cold and snowy. Good. Okay, Kwang.
What is the weather like today?
The weather like today is
You can say today.
today.
Weather is
Today the weather is hot and cloudy.
good. Okay. Kwang.
What will the weather be like tomorrow?
Okay, then we can start with tomorrow.
Tomorrow the weather is
Will be
will be hot and windy.
hot and windy. Okay, good. Okay, very nice. Well done. Now, let's save this. Kwang, you can write for me, but I want full sentences. Ni's going to ask you the question. You are
Yes.
going to write the answer for me, okay? Yes?
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Okay, and I want to tell you something quickly. When you write the season, the first letter must be capital. Okay? Summer, winter, autumn, spring. The first letter must be a capital letter. Okay, do you understand?
Oh, I understand.
Okay. Yes, perfect. Okay, Ni, number 2.
Number 2. What's the weather like in your favorite season?
The weather
Is The weather is hot and windy.
For hot and sunny.
Okay, hot and sunny.
Perfect. Good. Okay.
What's the weather like today?
It is
To,
hot.
you can start today, comma. The weather is
Today. Weather is hot and cloudy.
yes, perfect. Okay, Ni, question 4.
What is the weather like tomorrow?
Is will
You can
be
start tomorrow, same like this. The weather will be.
tomorrow. Tomorrow the weather is
Will be, will be.
will be sorry, will be cloudy and windy.
Okay. Okay, we forgot the C there, but very good, perfect.
Yes.
Okay, good job. Just remember the C. Very nice writing. Okay, now I want to teach you something. Let's take this away. Okay, so now before we move on, I want to show you. So when we say, okay, let me just draw us a thing over here. Okay, so.
Can you do it white?
I can do it white, okay. There we go. I want to show you. So if we say we have past tense, that means yesterday. Okay, yesterday, last week, last year.
Last weekend?
Yes, last weekend.
Last night?
Last night, very good. Okay, so that's the past tense. I'm gonna need to make this bigger. Okay, then we have present tense. Present. Okay, present tense is today, now.
Tomorrow. Now, tomorrow.
Not tomorrow, present. Today,
Present.
now, this hour. Okay, this minute.
This month?
Yes, this month or this week first. Okay, this month.
This weekend?
This weekend. Okay, and so on.
Teacher. Okay.
You okay?
Yes.
Yes, okay. And then we have future.
Future.
Future is tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Next week.
Next month. Next weekend.
Next
Okay, next.
weekend. Yes.
Next year. Okay, or later. Tonight. Okay, so this is something that's not now, it's going to happen. Okay, so now let's look at these. I'm going to use a different color. Okay, if it's in the past, so now we're talking about weather. What was the weather like? Was. Okay, what was the weather like yesterday? What was the weather like last week? What was the weather like last year? Last weekend? Okay, we say was for weather. If it's today, we say is. Okay, how is the weather today? Or how is the weather now? How is the weather this minute? And so on, okay? In the future, will be. Okay, so what will the weather be like tomorrow? What will the weather be like next week? Okay. Yes, happy? Quang, are you happy?
Yes.
Yes, I'm going to save this for you, then I will. Okay, let's carry on. The weather song. Let's see, who knows how to sing? Do you like to sing?
Me.
Okay.
What the weather like?
Okay, let's see. Quang, you can sing the first, and then me, you sing the next part.
Yes.
Yes. What is the weather like? What is the weather like? What is the weather like today? It is sunny and it is windy, and there will be rain later.
Good.
What will the weather be like? What will the weather be like? What will the weather be like tomorrow? It will be cold. It will be wet, and there will be snow as well.
Okay, good. So let's look over here. Over here, they talk about today. Okay, what's is what is, because it's today, we have is. Okay, so what's equals what is. Okay, it's equals it is. It's is. Okay, because they're talking about today. Over here, they're talking about tomorrow.
Future.
Yes. Tomorrow will be. Will be. Okay, tomorrow. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, because what's equals what is. Okay, so that is what is. Good. Let's move on. Okay, Kwang? Good. For tomorrow will be. Let's see. Okay, I don't have the listening with me. So let's make up anything you want to choose here. Ni, you can choose A or B. You can tell me anyone. Oh, okay, sorry. Kwang, you're going to read the question. Ni, you're going to choose an answer.
Yes.
Yeah. What will the weather be like tomorrow?
It will be cold and cool and window. Wind.
Okay, Ni, you ask the question.
What's weather like in your country?
It's usually cool and foggy.
Okay, Quang, ask.
What is autumn like in the country?
It's usually it's usually cold and windy.
Okay. Good. Ni?
What's windy like in your country?
It's usually cold and windy.
Yay, good job. Okay. Let's see. Teacher is going to ask the question. And then I'm going to, oh, let me just erase that. Okay, then I'm going to say your name and I'm going to draw an arrow. Okay, what will the weather be like tomorrow, Quang?
It will be hot and sunny. Oh, sorry. It will be foggy and snowy.
Okay, Ni, what will the weather be like tomorrow?
It will be cold and small.
Good,
And
Quang.
sunny.
What will the weather be like tomorrow?
It will be hot and sunny.
Okay, now we're going to read it. You're going to tell me on the picture if is it tomorrow, is it today, or is it in the past? Okay, picture number 1. Quang, is that today? Is it yesterday or tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Okay, very good. So we say will be. Picture number 2, Ni, today, tomorrow, yesterday.
Today.
Yes, very good. Today, okay, it's. And picture number 3, Quang, today, tomorrow, yesterday.
Today.
Okay, good. You say it's okay. So now we're going to read and we're going to put in the missing words. First, Quang, you can read all these words for me.
Yes.
Let's take away the
Season.
arrows. Hold on.
Season. Sus. Picnic. Wind. November.
Okay. Ni, you are going to read up to there for me.
My name is Quang. I live in Cần Is in the
North, east, southwest. It is in the of Vietnam.
is the
North, east, south, west.
north of